Welcome back to my channel. And today, due to many requests that people keep saying, oh, you gotta talk in your video and you gotta interact with your audience and your subscriber and all that stuff, but so today I'll be doing an unboxing of this guy that I received recently. Majin Vegeta by Power Level Max. Let's see if you can see this really gigantic box. Here's the back of it. It's Vegeta 1/4 scale, made by the Tsume with light up feature, which I'll show you guys. Hopefully nothing's broken, so I'll show you guys after I finish assembling them. And it comes with an art print. You guys can see Tsume front, and a certificate of authenticity, and an explanation booklet on how to assemble them. Please show you guys. Here you go. The assemble instruction, the aura effects, and the power plug and battery and all that stuff for the sound and the lights. Here's the art print that comes with it. And here's the certificate of authenticity. Let's see, I got certificate of authenticity, Majin Vegeta, limited edition of 2,680. What the hell is that? 9? 2,689 pieces out of 3,000 pieces. Tsume is proud to introduce high quality yada yada yada. Certificate blah blah blah, and here's the signature of Zero, the CEO, founder. Oh. Oh, I love the smell of the new resins. This just came out. Awesome. Let me check and see if we got any paint bleeds or paint error. Nope. Looking good so far. Tons of details. So here's the base. Here's the logo. Majin Vegeta. You see the sand falling down. High quality plus. Look at the sand texture on there. Look at that. Sand where Vegeta turned. Here's the hands. You can see like the yellowish at the top because Vegeta is powering up and blasting key, so they added a yellow shaded, blue shaded on top. Looks real. This nameplate is incredible. Let me show you guys. See, here's the stand of it, right? Just simple Tsume stand. And check this out. Boom. The smell, that is awesome. I got, yeah, number 2,689 out of 3,000. Look at that. Now compare this to the old, well, not the old nameplate, the small size nameplate that they have. This looks way better. So I think this, they're gonna do it in 1/4 scale, and this one just normal 1/6 scale. This looks great, nice addition to the statue, but I prefer this one better. You see this? It's a little orange-ish, yellowish. Here's the back of it. This is one of it. Dragon Ball. Yeah, right here. Like that. And here's the Z. It goes like that. This one goes here. This one goes here. And we have one last one. It goes like this. Big R. That goes here. Here's the additional one. Prince of Saiyan. Let me show you the close-up look of him. No paint bleeds, no paint error. You can see the detail on his clothes. Now most of the new resin statue has all these details. You see the dot, the texture, the yellow aura part that Vegeta is ready to blast his ki. So it goes like this. Like so. Gloves, hands. Like so. There you go. He's fully assembled. One of the main parts that I love about this statue. Check this out, the light up feature. And the sound effect is awesome. Check this. Look at that. Let me turn up the light so it's gonna shine even better. The light up. Here's a different light up. Stay still. And he's just bright, standing still. And he goes back to off. Okay, that's enough of that. Let me give you guys some closer look at the statue. Here's the card. You see it here. And here's the sand base. Okay. You can see the sound effect of it. Here's the Vegeta boot. A little blue yellowish. Same thing with the other one. And here's this texture detail that I love that they start doing this on a statue. Look at this. That is awesome. I know I say awesome a lot, but this statue is 100% my favorite DBZ statue right now. This Vegeta clothes. You see the veins. See the chest, his face, how angry he looks. His hair. It's the aura. Now this statue doesn't come up with, doesn't comes with two speaker. I have to use mine for the sound effect to work. But if you guys don't have speakers and it's just light up, that's it. But you need to get a speaker if you want sound effect and all that stuff. And again, you guys cannot get this anywhere. It's sold out. And the price for it is kind of crazy right now. This is around $800, ship it included. So, worth it 100% in my opinion. Look at this. That is awesome. Light up feature, everything is awesome right now. It's just the light up. Thanks you guys for watching. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to talk during my unboxing or just start using the music again, because I have no problem with doing both. Remember to subscribe and thank you for watching. Goodbye.